And welcome to the McKinsey Retail Series, your day hub for thought leadership in the retail sector. I am Somil Agarwal, and I am thrilled to guide you through a series of insightful discussions with some of the brightest minds in and around our industry. In today's session, we are going to talk about the RPA or intelligent automation and its role in the retail sector and how it is shaping our industry and also how it is evolving, right? And today, joining us is Amin Basha, who brings a wealth of knowledge and experience. He is working currently as SAP RPA manager, and excited to have him, and glad that he accepted the invite to be part of this discussion. All right, Amin.
Yeah, thank you very much, Somil. Really, I'm excited to be here and looking forward to answer your questions. So let's begin.
All right, great. Thanks, Amin. So, again, you bring plethora of experience, right? So, can you first explain what is intelligent automation and how is it being applied in retail operations?
Okay, so intelligent automation is actually nothing but it's an integration of artificial intelligence and as well as with the robotic process automation. Well, so this combined fusion, okay, with these two technologies help us to streamline the processes and speed the processes through automation and get the maximum benefits out of it. Okay, so that is all about intelligent automation. But how this intelligent automation can be applied on retail is that, as of my understanding, retail is a one place where we have a lot of opportunities with respect to intelligent automation. So primarily I would say that we have inventory management, and we also have some places where we'll be doing the customer service and order processing, and we also have places where we'll be playing with the data, which is data analytics, right? So using this intelligent automations, retailers can actually automate their repetitive process, and they can reduce the errors that they are currently having, where it's actually a lot of cost of error is going on. Okay, and they can actually free up their manual workers to focus on the more strategic way of core things. So that is where retail automation stands for retail. Hope I answered the question.
Yeah, I think first of all, for someone who's novice and just looking up for the video, he or she would really get a understanding of what intelligent automation is, certainly, and then eventually the way you answered, I think I'm sure they will be benefited. So coming to the second question, what are the key success factors when it comes to suppose I'm a retailer, I have maybe 100 stores or 200 stores. What are the key factors that determine the success factors of a bot implementation?
Oh, that's a very good question. Okay, the success factors, the primarily I would say that identifying the right process. Okay, so that we do through the discovery processing. Okay, so there is actually a kind of a phase, we can call it, in the entire RPA implementation. Through this process, what we do is we identify the right process which requires automation or which can yield us more benefits. Okay, and we prioritize them. Okay, so whichever is whichever we think that is gonna bring us more benefits, more ROI that goes on top. Okay, and there are some other factors also involved in that, which is kind of the complexity of the process. Okay, and the frequency of the transaction happening on this process, and the volume and all those things. Okay, so these are volumetric items. Along with that, the complexity that goes with that. Okay, and the second factor that I would say is identifying the right tool. So if you identify the process and you're identifying the right tool for automation or doing automation for it, yes, you should be able to successfully implement within the plan that we have, and we should be able to deliver, and we should be able to yield more benefit out of it. Hope I answered the question.
Yeah, I think that is wonderfully summarized by you. Some key critical factors in terms of the key KPIs, so to put across, for any bot implementation that takes place.
Yes.
So now moving forward to what kind of as McKinsey has some wonderful offerings in terms of the bots, and can you just briefly speak about what kind of or what types of bots does McKinsey offer for retail operations?
Yes, McKinsey offers a range of bots tailored to the needs of the retail operations. Let me highlight few of those. Like one is like inventory management bots, okay, which actually automate the stock tracking or reorder processing and manage inventory levels. Okay, so another one is that we have is customer service bot, which provides real-time assistance to the customers via chat or voice. That you have seen in the market. That we have that in almost every industry now. Okay, and we have sales and on order processing bots which actually automate the order entry processing and the tracking to ensure the accurate and timely order fulfillment. Okay, so that's one key factor, success factor for any retail business. Okay, and we also have analytics bots which actually gathers and analyzes data and putting it in a right way for the top managers to see that where things are going correct and where not and all those things. And we also have supply chain bots which optimize the supply chain processes by managing supplier interactions, tracking shipments and ensuring efficient logistics. Okay, as you know, right, the delivery, at the end of the day, the delivery is the most important thing. So considering those what do we call competency factors, okay, required for retail, right? So we have identified these processes and we created bot for those. Hope I answered that question.
Yeah, I think you were bang on there. And again, in what, if I have to, just for the our in interest of our viewers who are viewing this video, can you just explain, like, in what ways do analytics bots, since that is the buzzword, right? What are the analytics bots that are offered by McKinsey support decision making and in retail operations? Because I think that is something that all the retail business owners look forward.
So, see, for the analytics boards, right, we have various data coming inside the systems every day, right? We have vendors data, we have the product data, and we also have other data related to the customer data, right? So all these data is coming into the system, okay, and we need to make sure that all these data are projected in a right way, okay, handled or governed in a right way. Okay, so what we do is we educate our bots, okay, in a such a way that those bots take care of those predefined rules that we set up, okay, for managing these analytics related to data. Okay, and also wherever we have some hiccups related to data, right, so our bot can actually alert it, okay, and make sure that the further data loss or the business loss is actually stopped there. So using automation, yes, analytics governing the data is very important. Why? Because we have seen that data is being the blood of the entire process, right? So through automation we should be able to stop those bad data or off beam data that we are saying that that can be stopped. Yes.
All right, wonderful. I think you answered it. Only someone who can, who has experience like you can answer. So I'm sure our viewers will be really benefited by your insightful discussion. And yes, I mean, yeah, I think you wonderfully put it across that the customer real-time data that is being, that can be shown, and then it would really help key, in making key decisions. So yeah, I mean, yeah,
Thank you. Thank you very much for your time, Somil.
yeah.
I answered everything, and thank you very much.
All right, yeah, sounds good. And guys, whoever is watching, stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and some insightful content is also on the way. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.